Hi, my name is Kelvin, and today I'm going to show you how to create an account on Alexio and then log in to start using the Alexio online software. Okay, so to do that, you go to alexio.com. The link will be put in the description. So when you're on alexio.com, you go to get started over here. So get started, it will bring you to the sign up page, and then you enter your name, your email address, your phone number, and then your password. But if you don't want to do all of this, then you can use the sign up with Google. If you are the easy to go person, you don't want to waste your time. I mean, you can just click on sign up with Google. So when you click on sign up with Google, it will open the Google sign in page for you to authenticate over there. Once you are done, it will bring you back to this page, your business onboarding screen. So the first step is business information. You enter your business information, your business name. So so you enter a business name, then you select your business category. So we have supermarket, grocery, pharmacy, mother care, boutique and fashion, beauty and cosmetics, construction, hardware and improvements, and home improvement, electronics, and restaurant and food services, bakery, medical supplies over there. Good. So I'll select restaurant and food service. So when I click here, you go to continue. Then representative by default you fill if you sign up with Google, will fill this form for you. Representative name, email address, contact number. You enter a contact number, then the reference code. If someone send a link to you to subscribe and the person is an affiliate, you get the referral code and then you enter it over here. But if you don't have, you come to the website directly on your own, and that is okay. It's optional. Then you click on continue. So continue your business location address. Then you select your country. So by default, I'll select Ghana. Then the city, I'll select Accra. Then zip code, Ghana zip code 00233. Okay. Then you continue. Then you come to the software license agreement. You read the software license agreement. You make sure you read it to understand, and then you click on confirm. And then you go to continue. Okay, then in this place you choose your plan. If you want to do a 7-day trial, you can just select this and then complete setup. But if you want to pay directly, maybe you for that the demo and then you want to pay directly, you select the paid plan over here. We have the billing cycle, we have monthly and then annual. So you can select, if you select monthly, you choose the package over here. We have the free, basic, pro, and then expert. If I select basic, this is the basic for monthly, pro, this is the price for pro monthly, and then the expert. Then we have the annual package too. So for pro, we have 3,350 basic, and then free. Okay. So I'm going to select start with 7-day free trial for now. Then I click on complete setup. And that is all. My 7 days free trial has started today. So the next thing I'll do, then in the next video, I'll show you how to add products to your business, how to do your business settings, and then also add product to your shop. Thank you.